Hi dear students, I am Miss Hadir, your math teachers. Our lessons today are lesson 4 and lesson 6. We are going to explain each together because they are related to each other. Okay, let's start. Here our lesson is multiplying a decimal number by an integer number or a whole number. How can we multiply a decimal number by a whole number? First, we have to follow these steps. Let's see. Multiply 3.0.14. How can we do it? The first step, write this problem vertical. Okay? Then, the second step, ignore the decimal point and start multiplying. Start from the unit. 3 by 4 will be 12, 2 and carry up 1, 3 multiply 1 will be 3, plus 1 equals 4, 3 by 0 equals 0. And the final step, we have to put the decimal point. How can we put the decimal point? Look at the first number has how many decimal places? The first number is 0.14. How many decimal places in 0.14? It has 2 decimal places. Okay, let's see the second digit is 3. 3 has how many decimal places? It has no decimal places, so it will be 0. Let's add the decimal places together. Okay, 2 plus 0, it will be 2. Then we have to put the decimal point from the right side to the left side. Count how many digits? 2 digits. Let's count 1, 2, then put the decimal point, and the final answer will be 0.42. Excellent. Here we have an exercise. Find the result of each of the following. Letter A, 2.37 multiply 5. How can we do it? First, write the problem vertical, then ignore the decimal point. It will be 237 multiply 5. Start multiplying from the unit digit. 5 by 7, 35. 5 and carry up 3. 5 multiply 3 will be 15. 15 plus 3 equals 18. Excellent. 5 times 2 will be, 8 and carry up 1. 5 by 2, 10. 10 plus 1 will be 11. Then don't forget putting the decimal point. Let's see. The first number has how many decimal places? It has 2 decimal places. And the second number has no decimal places. Let's add them together. 2 plus 0 will be 2. Count from the right to the left. Then put the decimal point. It will be 11.85. Okay? Okay. We have here letter B and C. They are the same. B and D, they are the same. Let's see letter E. 1.352 multiply 11. Here we have a decimal number multiply a whole number, but this whole number has 2 digits. As we have studied before at primary 4, how can we multiply 2 digits? We have steps. They are units, tens, 0 of tens plus. Again, unit, tens, 0 of tens plus. Let's start from the unit digit. 1 multiply 2 equals 2. 1 by 5, 5. 1 by 3, 3. 1 by 1, 1. Then put the magic 0, that 0 of tens. Don't forget it, please. Then multiply the tens digit. 1 by 2 equals 2. 1 by 5 will be 5. 1 multiply 3 will be 3. 1 multiply 1 will be 1. Then add the 2 numbers together. Let's add. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 5 will be 8. 1 plus 3 will be 4. And the last digit is 1. Here the final answer 14,872. Okay, where is the decimal point? Don't forget it. Okay, the first number has how many decimal places? Let's see. The first number has 3 decimal places, and the second number has no decimal places, it will be 0. Let's add 3 decimal places plus 0 will be 3. Count from the right to the left. Let's count 1, 2, 3, then put dot. Okay? The final answer will be 14.872. Have you got it? Okay, let's start another one. Here we have multiplying decimal by decimal. We are going to multiply decimal number by a decimal number, the same steps. Let's see. 13.75 multiply 5.5. The first step, ignore the decimal points. Here we have 1375 multiply 55. The answer is 75,625. Okay. Don't forget the decimal point, please. The first number has how many decimal places? It has 2 decimal places. And the second number has 1 decimal place. Excellent. Let's add them together. It will be 3 decimal places. Then count from the right to the left. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Then put the decimal point. Okay? The final answer will be 75.625. Again. Another exercise, 12.3 multiply 6.1. Start from the unit, then start the 10th digit. Multiply first the unit. 1 by 3, 3, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 1, 1. The second digit is 6, but don't forget putting the magic 0, please. Put 0 of tens, then multiply the 10th digit. 6 by 3, 18, 8 and carry up 1. 6 multiply 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 and carry up 1. 6 multiply 1, 6 plus 1 will be 7. Then add the two numbers together, it will be 7,503. Okay, but here where is the decimal point? Don't forget it. The first number has 1 decimal place and the second number has 1 decimal place. So we will add them together. We are going to be 2 decimal places. Count from the right, then put the decimal point. And the final answer will be 75.03. Okay? Okay. Another example. Multiply 2.95 multiply 3.2. The first step, ignore the decimal point. It will be 295 multiply 32. First multiply the unit digit, then multiply the second digit, and don't forget the 0 of tens, please. The final answer will be 9.440. Okay. Here, story problem. Okay, story problem. If the price of bar of chocolate is 2.75 pounds, what is the cost of 15 bars of the same kind? Let's see here. If I put 1 bar of chocolate, it costs 3 pounds, okay? And I want to buy 2 chocolates. Now, what will we pay? We are going to pay 3 plus 3. Okay, instead of repeated addition, we are going to make multiply. Okay, I want here to buy 15 bars of chocolate. The price of 1 bar is 2.75. So to get the cost, we have to make multiply, because multiplying is a repeated addition. Okay, 2.75 multiply 15. As we said before, ignore the decimal point, then multiply. And don't forget put the decimal point in the final answer. It will be 41.25 pounds. Okay, another one. Ahmed bought 12 cans of juice. The price of each can was 1.75 pounds. What is the total cost of the juice? I want to know the cost of the juice. He bought 12 cans of juice. The price of one can is 1.75. Okay, I want to get the cost. We are going to make multiply instead of repeated addition. Okay? Okay. It will be 1.75 multiply 12, and the final answer will be 21 pounds. Okay. Here he wants to know how much would the seller pay back to Ahmed if he paid 30 pounds. Here I want to know the remainder with Ahmed. Okay, to get the remainder or to get the left money, what will we do? We are going to make subtraction, which is minus. The cost, it was 21 pounds. Okay, if Ahmed paid 30 pounds, then the remainder will be, or the left will be 30 minus 21 equals 9 pounds. Okay. Here we have another exercise. Find the result. 0.67 multiply 2.8. We have to get the answer. We have two decimal numbers. Okay. Start multiplying the unit, then start multiplying the tens, and add them together. And don't forget putting the decimal point. Okay, the final answer will be 1.876. Okay, the next one, 2.03 multiply 0.07. Again, the same steps, and the final answer will be 0.1421. The last one is 9.72 multiply 0.46, and the final answer will be 4.4712. And now we have finished our lesson today, and thank you for listening me. Bye.